In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your taillights from the factory ones to these nice LED black housing taillights. Let's get started. With the tailgate open from the inside, you can see the two 8mm screws that hold on your taillight. Go ahead and remove both. Now you can pull the taillight straight out. You might need a trim tool to help pry it out from the outside. There we go. Two pins that hook it onto the body here, side of the bed. Flip it upside down. Once you have the assembly flipped upside down, go ahead and unplug the bulb connectors. This one has a bunch of sand in it. Unplug this one as well. This one also has a lot of sand, so I'll leave these over here. You'll notice that the new taillight has this harness attached to it, so you want to make sure that this stays plugged in, and they do provide some double-sided tape already stuck to the backside of this. And what you want to do is either stick it somewhere, or what I will do is there's a little pocket here. Don't put it straight down here because this will actually just go to the ground. There's a hole at the bottom. That's where the bumper connects. But if you put it in here, it can just rest in that little pocket. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. One other thing we have to modify a little bit is the routing of the reverse light harness. Bring it down underneath this bar here because now it'll actually be connected to the bottom as opposed to the top of the tail light. So go ahead and plug this in. Make sure it clicks. Now plug in the main tail light bulb. As you slide this in, make sure you tuck this piece back where you want it. Like I said, I'm going to put it in that little pocket there. It has two metal pins that need to line up with these plastic tabs. Once they do, tap it into place. Go ahead and resecure the top screw, as well as the bottom. Now let's test out the taillights, parking lights, hazards / turn signals, and the brake light. And here's reverse.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.